Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the properties of image in concave mirror. We have studied the properties of image in a plane mirror. Now we want to talk about concave mirror. For plane mirrors, it doesn't matter where you are standing in front of this mirror. But for concave mirror, the property of the image depends on the location of the object. Again, for plane mirror, it doesn't matter. Your location, it doesn't matter. All the properties will stay the same. The size the same, the distance the same, virtual. But what about concave mirror? It depends on the location. Actually, to draw the image and the location, and because it depends on the location, there are six cases. But now in grade 7, we're going to take only how much? Only 2 cases. And to draw the image, what do I need with the location? I need, from the rules that we studied in the previous lesson, I need only 2 rays. 2 rays are enough to draw the image for concave mirror. Got it? What are these cases? It depends on these cases depend on the location of the object. What are these locations that we are going to study in our lesson today? The first one, we will take the first case. The first case, when the object is close to the mirror. Close to the mirror, it means the location of the object between the pole and focal point, between P and F. Let's go back to our mirror. This is a concave mirror. To start drawing, again, you have to make the line a straight line. This one, it's called principal axis. On this line, you have to put the 3 points, C, F, P, which is the pole, a focal point. I'm sorry, maybe this one, it makes a shift. Okay. And what shall you do also? You have to put the object. Please bring a paper, pencil, and ruler to draw with me step by step. How many rays do I need? I need only 2 rays to draw the image. What are the rays that I'm going to use in this one? I'll use 2. I'll show you now what are these 2 rays. The first one that I'm going to use is line that what? So the rays that I'm going to use, only 2. As I told you, I don't need a lot of rays. We studied the 3 rules and 2 rays are enough. Okay. These 2 rays, light ray parallel to the principal axis, the other one a light ray passing through the focal point. Just to remind you, the first one parallel, how it will be reflected? It will be reflected what? Toward or to the focal point. What about the light ray passing through the focal? It will reflect how? Parallel to what? To the principal axis. Let's start. Here the object, where is the object? Is between P and F, very close to the mirror. The rays that I'm going to use, the first one, the ray that are parallel to the principal axis. Look at it. I'll use light color. Draw with me. Use your pencil, use your ruler, step by step. Okay. The first one, from the top of the arrow, here the arrow represents the object. From the top of the arrow here represent this light that hits the mirror. This one is parallel to what? Parallel to the principal axis. This one, how it will be reflected? This one actually, it will reflect to passing through the focal. I'll use red color, green color here to show you how it will be reflected. It will reflect, pass through the focal point. Look at it, how it will pass. It will pass through the focal point. This is the reflected ray here. Okay. what is the other ray that I want to use? The other one, light ray passing through the focal point. Okay, how to do this one? I'll use different color. I'll use a blue one to show you the other ray. Okay, the other ray, this one here. Sorry, the other ray, I'll use the blue color from the top here. This one. How this one, it will be reflected, ray passing through the focal. Does this one pass through the focal? Till now, no. But when you extend it, look at it, how it will be extended. Use the ruler to do it. It will pass through the focal. And use the ruler here, you will see, maybe, sorry, it's not clear for you, but if you extend this ray, you will see it's passing through the focal. Okay, so this one, the second ray, it's passing through the focal. If you continue this one, but okay, it will pass through the focal. How it will be reflected? This one, it will reflect parallel to the principal. I'll use now red color to show you how it will be reflected. This one here. Sorry, this one is blue. I'll use I told you red one. Okay, so for the red one, from the same point, you have to follow the law of reflection. From the same point it hits, this one is reflected parallel to the principal. How to draw the image now? Where is the image? To draw the image, as you see, the reflected rays, they are away from each other. They are diverging here. They are away from each other. To draw the image now, I want to extend the reflected rays behind the mirror. It's like the plane. You remember the plane? We extended the reflected rays. The red one and the green one represent what? Represent the reflected ray. Okay, so I'll use the reflected ray, the first one, the second one. I'll start with the second one. I'll extend it behind this one. Look here. I'll extend it behind the mirror, and I'll use the green one to represent the other reflected ray. Reflected ray here. This one. Continue the same line here. You will see they will meet at a point where they meet. That means the top of the object that you have in front of this mirror. Where is the object now? I'll use the black color. This one here. So this one here represent the object, the image of the object. Look at it. Look at it now. Let's talk about the property of it. It's behind the mirror. That means it's what? It's virtual. So the first one, it's virtual. It's not real. The second one, which one is bigger? The object or the figure? The image. Is the image bigger? So magnified, as you see. Also, it's behind the mirror, so it's enlarged, so magnified here. The third one, it's upside, okay, it's upright, sorry. Okay, so it's in the same, it's not inverted. So these are the three properties of this image when you put the object between F and B. Please try to do it step by step. Make pause while you're watching the video and try to draw these step by step, and then write what are the rays that you are going to use. So now the properties again for the image that we already finished from. Look at them. Virtual. Why it's virtual? It's virtual because it's behind the mirror. It's not real. Also, it's magnified. It's larger. The height is higher, as you see. It's more, and it's right side up. Okay. Also here, I want you to draw this image. Sorry, here it's not written correct. Let's do it. So this one here, let's go back. We said it's virtual because it's behind, magnified because it's larger, the right side up, as you see it's not inverted. So these are the properties when you put it between P and F. Just to remind you, the object, if it's in different points or away away يعني, it will be different. For example, in F on C it will give what different properties. Only we studied this case now. Please send me your drawing to my email to see if you are understand this how to draw it or not, for practicing. Okay, thank you for listening.